I'm just pulling up this 40mm square a joist or whatever you bearer, whatever you call it, and this is how it was attached, just by a piece of metal. It's just hanging on the steel that's just in here, and this was attached to that. Of course it's all rotted away, that's why the floor's moving. So that was just hanging there from what I can tell, just sitting like that. And you can see where it's, sorry, just sitting like that. Sorry, I wasn't putting the camera where it should be. So that was just sitting like that, just hanging on that, and it was just stuck into there. So that's how we attach the floor, apparently. Not that. I think I'd have a much longer piece of steel going further along. Yeah, not terribly happy about that. It's pretty. Anyway, that's how you do it.